ever, 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 ever. I will never, ever, ever, ever. Hey guys, it's Kinky with cheese here. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I'm back. This video is going to be like all over the place, but please just bear with me. Yeah, I got my hair done, or I did my hair by myself. I did my hair by myself last 2 weeks. I did this faux locks, yeah, I guess whatever you want to call it, on my hair, crochet faux locks on my hair, and I would never, ever, ever, ever do one, the single strand crochet, secondly the loopless crochet. Never in my life will I sit down and do that thing for like, how many hours did it take? It took me about 9 hours to get this hair done. It's crazy. And I don't know why. Okay, I know why. I know why. Anyway, so I wanted to look, because I was thinking of what to do to my hair. I had it out for a long time, and I do want to do my regular, normal, boring twist. And I've been seeing this faux lock stuff on Instagram, and everybody was looking cute with it. So I decided to, jump on the trend. And yeah, let me just give you an advice. Anytime you want to do faux locks by yourself, I don't know, I think people in the salon can get it right, but anytime you want to do faux locks, so please do research before you actually go out and buy the locks. Anyway, so I decided to get this BOBBI Boss new locks. You can see the faux locks, new locks. Yeah, I guess BOBBI Boss, BOBBI Boss faux locks, new locks. And yeah, I saw some good reviews. They were like, it looks so real, it's the realest faux locks you will ever see, get it. And I saw it on people and I'm like, wow, it looks so nice. Let me get it in, and get it in this color, because I haven't done any color since forever. So I decided to get it. I can't remember what this color was. Let me hold. Well, I got it in this color. As you can see, when I was watching people on YouTube install this, it looks so easy. It looks so easy, like crazy. And I decided to, try my luck, but it didn't work out. I don't know if it's this color, because normally I see people with the 1B, one black color, whatever. I don't know whether it was this color, but it wasn't wrapping well. I couldn't even unravel it well. Like, see how hard it is to, like, I'm twisting. It's not like, can you see? I'm unwrapping it or unraveling it, what do you want to call it, but it's not working at all. So I got this one, and I figured by the first braid, I figured that it wasn't going to work. So I had to return the ones that I hadn't opened and get this one. I rushed to the store looking all crazy, my hair looking all crazy, and I went to the store to get this one. I don't know if I was in a rush, or I don't know what it was. I didn't really look at it that well to know that it was loopless. So when I brought it home, I had to go online to look for how to do loopless single, single crochet installation. Yeah, loopless single crochet installation. And I found it, but it was work. The only good thing about this one is that it's easy to unravel and wrap back. Like, it's so easy to do it. But this, no, I wouldn't. Like, I'm just like, I will never ever do the single strand knot, single braid, single crochet, whatever they call it. I don't know what to call it, but I will not do it again. I'm not. I'm over this hair. I'm telling you, when I think about how much time I spent, I wonder why. I ask myself why. Why did I? Why? I it's not by force to look cute. I can't. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm ranting, but I am ranting. I'm ranting because I cannot waste my efforts. I'm going to carry this for 1 more week, so it should be like 3 weeks before I, you know, get this off my head. See, crazy. I was going to do like a skincare, my skin routine, my skincare routine, but no way. This pimple was like, girl, be humble. You've not reached that level yet. Just forget about it. It just came out from nowhere. These ones, they've gone now, but my skin was so smooth, and I was like, well, tomorrow I'm going to do like a skincare routine so people can see how smooth my skin is. And this was like, girl, go and sit down. Go and sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. It's like, sit down. You've not gotten to that stage. You've not gotten to that level yet. You're not that girl. And I'm sitting down. If you feel like Faux Locs is like really hyped up, especially the single stranded Faux Locs, what do they call it? If you think it's hyped, please comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment down below, subscribe, and like this video. Thank you. Bye.